Welcome back to LARTE Design YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you something truly special. This is the custom-made project for our client. Are you ready to see what's under this cover? Let's have a look. Wow, this is the BMW X5M by LARTE Design. As you can already see, it's got a special color, but also complete LARTE Design carbon fiber upgrade, including the wheels. In today's video, we will be talking about this project in detail, and as you can already see, the client has decided to go all in. You can already see the special and extraordinary color of this SUV, in addition with a LARTE Design complete carbon fiber project and also the Akrapovic exhaust system. But we will talk about the rear view of this SUV later in this video. First of all, let's talk about the front, then the side and the rear view of this project. Let's start. So let's actually start our walk around today with the front perspective of this BMW X5M competition. And as you can already see, we have done quite a lot on this car. And as you can also see, we decided to go with a full 100% complete carbon fiber look. So let me show you in detail what kind of elements and touches we have added on this car. Now look at this one-piece massive LARTE Design carbon fiber hood. As you can see, this hood gets installed instead of the original BMW hood, and therefore we have also kept here the full functionality. So all the fasteners get replaced into the LARTE Design hood. Now if you have a closer look, you will see that this hood has got super interesting masculine and aggressive lines, therefore adding and highlighting the sportiness of this BMW X5 competition. Now if you have also a closer look, you will see that in the middle we have also added a LARTE Design badging, therefore making you feel even more individual. Now as we look closer down, you will see that this look also continues in the button, and here we've got the front grille. Now this one is a perfect match with these front details, and if we have also a closer look in the button, here we also finish the complete sporty look of this BMW X5M by adding this interesting and design front splitter. And before I forget, let me also show you one thing that we also added on the front of this BMW X5M, which are the carbon fiber inserts. As you can see, they definitely have an interesting design and complete the overall sporty look of your SUV. Now walk with me and I'll also show you the side view of this BMW X5M competition by LARTE Design. And you might already ask me what I'm holding in my hands, and I decided to also give you a live comparison of the stock parts that were originally installed on this BMW and LARTE Design parts. So as you can see, I'm holding the side element here, and you can already directly let me know what you think of this change here. So the client has decided to go for complete carbon fiber look, also by adding the carbon fiber mirror cups, and as you can see, this is the difference. And let me know what you think about these additional elements on this BMW X5M. And additionally, to make the car also look lower while driving, we have added here a small touch, which are the LARTE Design side sills. So as you can see, these side sills definitely highlight the side profile of this sporty SUV. And also on the side of this part, we have also added a LARTE Design badging. So now we continue talking about the side view of this X5, and let me show you how this car actually looked before when it came to us. So these are the stock wheels by BMW, but you know what? We decided to add something real cool, and these are the LARTE Design special forged wheels, and as you can see, they are super glossy, perfect match and the contrast with this color, with this car and design. And you know what, I think this adds a touch of elegance to this luxury and sporty SUV. It is now finally the time to talk about the rear transformation of this SUV done by LARTE Design in-house. And let me show you and start talking about the top upgrade elements that we have transformed here. These are the top spoiler and the lower spoiler, which are done in the carbon fiber, which are, by the way, also available in a glossy black option or in the body color of your car. Now, as you can already see, these two upgrade elements definitely highlight its sporty character of this sporty SUV. Now, as we look further down, you will see that here we have also done quite a lot. And now this is the rear bumper diffuser done by LARTE Design. And in addition to this rear bumper diffuser has also got a LARTE Design signature. Are you ready to see it? Now, these are the LARTE Design brake lights. Now, they do not only turn everyone's heads while you are driving on the road, but also are made for bad weather conditions. This means that you are also seen from far away if it rains or snows. So it's also made for your safety and functionality. Now, in addition to this exclusive rear bumper diffuser, as I already mentioned in the beginning, this SUV has also got the Acropovich exhaust system, which we will also listen to when you continue watching to the video. So now we are coming to the end of this video, and it's almost time to also listen to the Acropovich exhaust system on this BMW X5M. However, let me know how you like this aggressive and sporty look transformed by LARTE Design. If you are also interested to make your BMW X5M in this special way, do not hesitate and leave us a request on our website, which will be linked below. A personal contact representative will get in touch with you and guide you through this interesting project from the very beginning to the very end result. And by the way, we also ship worldwide, and we also offer the in-house installation in Germany. So if you are interested and you also want to feel the same emotions and individuality, leave us a request. And now it is time to listen to the sound. Are you ready?